I got PR from Pixi Beauty, and so I wanted to go ahead and show you real quick what I got. This is super cute. It's like a big story time book. Look at that. So cute, right? So, Years of Glow, a Pixie Fairy Tale. When you open this right here, you get a little story, cute little story, and it says, once upon a time, 25 years ago, in an enhanced pixie forest, where the meadows were gently bathed by dawn's first light and the breeze whispered secrets with a playful charm, a delightful community of pixies gathered. With sparkling wings, natural beauty, and mischievously wise eyes, these rarely seen beings were the keepers of nature's beauty. They always have the cutest PR. I love you, Pixie. I love Pixie so much. Okay, so let's get to the goodies, the good part. Okay, so we got some on the go blush. We got the Pixi Hello Kitty lip tone. It's reactive tint, pH reactive tint, so it must react to your pH. Everybody is different, obviously. And then we have the Pixi by Petra Liquid Fairy Lights. This is Glimmery Shadow. This one's Glimmery Shadow. And then, what is this? Oh, I love their mascara. This is the Large Lash Mascara. And then here is Sheer Cheek Gel. Cheek Stain. Here's the On the Glow blush. Super cute. Super, super cute. So, this is Ruby though. This is called Ruby. Y'all don't want to overdo it with this, so let me see. I'll put a little bit and just use my finger like that. Blend that baby out. This is the On the Glow blush in Ruby. A little bit more. Ain't that pretty? That is pretty. Let's do the other side. Super cute, right? Just a little bit there. This is amazing for the spring and summer months, y'all. But Ruby is very, very pretty. I like. Here's the Hello Kitty lip tone. This moisturizes and creates a hint of tint. Okay, pretty. Y'all see the tint? Liquid Fairy Lights Glimmery Shadow. Okay, not too much, just a little bit of sparkle. Y'all make sure y'all check out Pixi Beauty MK. Thanks, Pixi, for the PR. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later.